Not a love story, okay. That's why there is this kissing through phone scene in this because they are promoting the social distancing. Well, hello there. If you are new to this channel, then I request you to please subscribe to this channel. All you have to do is go to youtube.com/Indian Superhero to get onto my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to get notified about all my latest videos. What is happening, YouTubers, Naturals, and all Indian Superhero channel subscribers? I am Muhammad and I will leave my social media links in the description for you guys to follow me if you do want to follow me. And I am back with another trailer reaction. Today I am going to be reacting to Ishq, Not a Love Story trailer reaction. It's actually in the trending list. So let me just open the trending movies. Okay, Ishq, Not a Love Story movie trailer. Teja Sarja, Priya Warrior, Mahati Swarasagar. Uploaded on Aditya Music YouTube official channel. It was uploaded 6 days ago and it has 2.7 million views. So let me just open this thing. Let me make sure it's on topmost pixel quality. 2K is fine for me. Let's just open the subtitles. Even though if it's in Telugu, we don't know what the subtitles actually say. So full screen. Don't play. Here we go. Chak. RB Chaudhary presents.
రేపు నైట్ నీ బర్త్డే ప్లాన్ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తున్నా. రేపు నువ్వు నేను కార్లో, ఆ కార్ బీచ్ రోడ్లో.
It's like every 90s Bollywood movie, kissing the phones instead of kissing the partner. It all happened way back in the time of 1990s Bollywood movies and Tollywood movies. Talking with your significant other and okay, sorry, I got distracted because the cat came suddenly in and I noticed this sudden bright some kind of a sparkling thing in the peripheral vision, and I noticed that the sparkling thing is actually the eyes of the cat, and I actually got a little bit scared when I actually noticed in my peripheral vision what was that, and I saw that okay, it was just my cat, but it scared the hell out of me. Okay, anyway, so as I already said, talking to your significant other on the phone and then, giving them kisses through the phone. It all actually happened way back in the time of 1990s. It doesn't happen anymore because people have changed. Their mentalities have changed and they prefer to actually kiss their significant other rather than, giving flying kisses through phone or... Anyway, let's play.
ఒక ముద్దిస్తావా?
ఏంటి?
What did I say? People change. They prefer to directly kiss the significant other rather than go with the phones. But I don't know for sure now because depending on this COVID-19 pandemic, I guess most people are trying to go back to the ages of the 1990s where it is still safe to give kisses to your significant other because there is no breaking of the law of breaking of the rule of social distancing, because when you kiss your significant other over phone, you are still maintaining a social distance. So that's why there is this kissing through phone scene in this, because they are promoting the social distancing. I don't know. Just saying.
ముద్దు
Not a love story, okay. I want to point this out. I don't know if this is a horror movie or not, but until the first 20 or 30 seconds, I felt like this was actually a romantic movie. But depending on this immediate flickering of the scenes and the background music going on, I'm guessing this is a horror movie. I don't know for sure because I have to complete the trailer to find out if it is a horror movie or not. But depending on the background music and immediate changing of the scenery, I am guessing that it is a horror movie. Let's play and find out. Okay, too much sound. Let me volume down. My ears are actually hurting. All this 100% full volume. Sorry to interrupt again because I have to lower the volume down. If it's not a love story, then let us know if it is a thriller movie or a horror movie or something. April 23rd. April 23rd. It's actually day after tomorrow. Let me make some research if it is a horror movie or not. Ishq, not a love story. So, Ishq, or also marketed as Ishq, not a love story, is an upcoming Indian Telugu language romantical thriller film directed by S.S. Raju, produced by Mega Super Good Films Production Studio. The film stars Sajja Teja and Priya Prakash Warrior in lead roles. The remake of 2019 Malayalam film of the same name. Okay, I want to say something about Priya Prakash Warrior. She became really famous with her flirting scene in the movie Oru Arda Love, which was renamed as Lovers Day in Telugu. It came out in 2019. I don't exactly remember the date. Let me search the date. Lovers Day release date. Lovers Day movie. Okay, yes. It was actually released in 2019 and she became very popular with her flirting scene. If you haven't seen it, then I suggest you to see that scene of Priya Prakash Warrior flirting with a guy in between a class. That scene became a viral hit and she came into limelight and now she is the heroine in this movie. I thought Ishq, Not a Love Story is actually a horror movie, but turns out that it is a romantic thriller movie. So I will try to see when it actually releases because I don't know if I can go to the theaters or not depending on this second wave of COVID-19, but I'm hoping this pandemic will be over by the end of this year. Anyway, let's hope for the best. And stay home, stay safe until this pandemic is over. And if you guys are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel and press that bell icon to get a notification whenever I upload a new video. And take care and bye.